Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the right spot and apple type. You want full sun and drainage, so check pH and soil texture, then buy a certified sapling matched to your climate. Once done, plan spacing and rootstock vigor, dwarf for small yards, standard for orchards. Make sure to schedule planting in early spring or late fall when the tree is dormant so roots establish. Gather tools, shovel, compost, mycorrhizae, and stakes, and prepare to dig the hole immediately. You'll now plant with care to avoid common failures. Dig a hole twice the root ball width and loosen the sides so roots penetrate easily. Once done, trim damaged roots and position the tree so the graft union sits above soil. This prevents suckering. Make a shallow mound, spread roots, then backfill gently with a compost mix, tamping to remove air pockets. Water deeply to settle soil, add mulch but keep it away from the trunk, and stake if the site is exposed. You finish by establishing a simple care routine that promotes strong roots and structure. In year 1, water weekly and prune to a single liter, removing competing shoots so energy goes into roots. Once established, shift to seasonal pruning and targeted fertilization in spring. Inspect regularly for pests and disease, treating early with cultural or organic controls. If growth stalls or leaves yellow, check drainage and pH first. A quick soil test and correcting pH often fixes nutrient uptake issues. Address that before heavy feeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.